In some of our previous systems, ETL pipelines were quite clunky and difficult to put together. With Dataiku recipes, it's become much easier to simply put together a bunch of recipes and get some ETLs going. I think the first thing Dataiku has helped with is an efficiency. It's allowed us to be a lot more efficient with how we process data. It allowed us to build ETL pipelines for our different use cases. It's also easy to use or easier to use compared to some other tools. And so a lot of our end users are not only data experts, but are also quite democratized across the organizations. We do have use cases that allow us to process raw data into visual outputs that our executives can consume. And our ETL pipelines can be quite complex, and they basically involve taking raw data and transforming them using business logic in order to be able to see what it is the executives want to see. And so a lot of these ETL pipelines have allowed us to go from processing pipelines that could run for weeks into pipelines that now take us a few days or even a day to put together. Today, I can disclose that we're able to show efficiency metrics about 200% increase in time saved developing these pipelines. And we also have a lot more stability in the outputs that are generated from these pipelines. My favorite part of Dataiku is its relative ease of use compared to other platforms. It's a much easier platform to get started with. It is a much easier platform to upskill on, and it's an easier platform to build new AI or agentic AI platforms and tools on compared to some of the other platforms that are out there. The ability to use a graphic user interface is, as opposed to having to hard code a lot of the different recipes and different tools, also makes it a huge plus compared to some of the other tools that we use.